Very good morning, students of class 10th. Here I am Poonam Prasad with the topic, with the chapter Nationalism in India, the chapter number 3 of your subject history. Students, today's topic that we are going to complete today are the two important topics. One was considered as Rowlatt Act, Satyagraha movement against Rowlatt Act, and the second most important was known as Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Student, the photograph of you can say Sir Sidney Rowlatt. He was called as British judge, and he introduced with the Rowlatt Committee, and this act which he was introduced in India in 18th of March 1919. It was called as the Black Bill, you can say, and it was also called as the Black Act. Question arises, what was Rowlatt Act 1919? Or explain the features of Rowlatt Act 1919? Why the Indians, along with Gandhiji, why the Indians were outraged from this act? Why the Indians were not satisfied by this act? Why the Indians were reluctant not to adopt this, not to follow this act? And why Gandhiji wanted to start Satyagraha against this act? This was the very important topic that we are going to start with today's topic, today's class. So let's start with the features of Rowlatt Act 1919. Students, the Rowlatt Act, it empowers actually the government to imprison a person without a trial. This was one of the important bill passed by the Imperial Legislative Council and recommended by Sir Rowlatt. That is, the name was called as Sir Sidney Rowlatt. He was known as the British Empire, the famous British judge, actually. So he gave this recommendation, and in this recommendation, in this important act, the government has a power to imprison any Indian, you can say, to imprison any Indian without a trial. This act was passed through the Imperial Legislative Council in the year of 18th March 1919, despite the united opposition of Indian members. Children, this law was, as I have already told you, this law was called as the Black Bill, or this was called as the you can say Black Act. Mahatma Gandhiji wanted non-violent movement against this unjust law, and he wanted to unite Indians basically. So he had started the movement with the Hartal on 6th of April 1919. Student, Rowlatt Satyagraha movement 1919 comprises of the rallies organized in various cities. Workers went on strike, railway workshops and shops closed down. But the steps taken by the Britishers to suppress the Indian nationalists was very, you can say, very cruel, or you can say very, very heinous from the side of the British people. To suppress the nationalists, the British administrations has taken enormous, you can say, steps. First, they put the local leaders in jail. They debarred Mahatma Gandhi from entering into the Delhi. In spite of that, on 10th of April 1990, two leaders of Congress, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kechuli, were arrested by the government. On 10th of April, the police in Amritsar fired upon a peaceful procession, and on 13th of April, the Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. So, all that were the steps taken by the colonial administration to suppress this movement started by the people of India under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Students, a second most important topic that we are going to start today, it was called as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. General Dyer. The photograph is of General Dyer. On 10th of April 1919, the police in Amritsar fired upon a peaceful procession, provoking the widespread attack on banks, post offices, and railway stations. Martial law was imposed, it means army rule was imposed, and General Dyer took command basically to suppress the revolters. On 13th of April, a large crowd gathered in enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh to celebrate the annual Baisakhi fair. Baisakhi fair was called as the auspicious fair of your Sikhism, you can say. Basically, the people of Punjab, they gathered together and they celebrate this fair in a very joyful manner. Some people came to protest against the government of this new repressive measures taken by to oppose this taken by the British government to suppress the revolters, to suppress the Indian revolters who stood up against the Britishers, against this Rowlatt Satyagrah, against this Rowlatt Act. तो सत्याग्रहियों को झुकाने के लिए जो उन्होंने मेथड्स अडॉप्ट किए थे, उसके खिलाफ भी लोगों ने एक पीसफुल प्रोसेशन था. Some measures that was taken by the colonial government was this type of repressive measures was taken by the government. It was named as, you can say, the Black Day in the world history. Basically, if you are talking about the Indian history. Being from outside the city, many villagers were unaware of the martial law that had been imposed in Amritsar. General Dyer entered the area and he blocked the exit point and ordered for open fire on crowd, killing hundreds and thousands of innocent men, women and children. कहा जाता है बेटा, इस बाग में एक कुआं था. लोगों ने ये सोच के कुएं में, आप ये फोटोग्राफ भी देख रहे होंगे, पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, ये पेंटिंग आपने सामने देखी है, जिसमें कि लोगों को लगा कि ये कुआं पानी से भरा हुआ है तो हम गिरकर अपने आप को बचा लेंगे, लेकिन जो कुआं था वो सूखा हुआ था और वो ग्रेजुअली क्या हुआ, वो लाशों से भर गया. His here means General Dyer. उनका जो ऑब्जेक्ट था, his object as he declared later was to produce a moral effect on whom? On Satyagrahi, to create in the mind of Satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe. लोगों के अंदर, खासकर सत्याग्रहियों के अंदर ब्रिटिश शासन का डर और भय दिखाने के लिए ही उन्होंने ये कृत्य कर डाला, और जिसका क्रिटिसिज्म, जिसके लिए जो क्रिटिसिज्म ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को भी झेलना पड़ा था इन द पार्लियामेंट. बट जनरल डायर व्हेन ही रिटर्न बैक टू ब्रिटेन, उनको इंग्लैंड, उनको काफ़ी अवार्ड और रिवॉर्ड्स मिले, एंड ही वॉज हाईली अप्रिशिएटेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ ब्रिटेन, बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ब्रिटेन. Students, गांधी जी हैड कॉल्ड ऑफ द सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट ऑन 18th of April 1919. ये सारा जो कांड हो रहा था दैट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय दिस रॉलक एक्ट 1919, जिसकी स्टार्टिंग हुई थी फ्रॉम 18th of March 1919. देन इट ग्रेजुअली उनके अगेंस्ट में इंडियंस स्टूड अप, और 18th of April तकरीबन एक महीने के बाद Gandhi ji had called off the Satyagrah movement started against Rowlatt Act. As the news of Jallianwala Bagh that spreads, the crowds took to the street in many North Indian towns. There were strike clashes with police and attacks on government buildings. Indians ने वहाँ पे वायलेंस को अडॉप्ट किया, वायलेंस के मेथड को अडॉप्ट किया, इन स्पाइट ऑफ उनको नॉन वायलेंस और ट्रुथ का अडॉप्शन करना था, लेकिन इतना कृत्यकांड हो चुका था जिसके एवज में जो भीड़ थी वो बाहर गलियों में आई, और उन्होंने ना सिर्फ नारेबाजी की बल्कि उन्होंने अहिंसा को छोड़ हिंसात्मक रूप अपनाया, और अल्टीमेटली उनके क्लैशेस हुए किससे? पुलिसमैन से. They attacked on the government building. They had clashes over the officials of Britishers, and they put themselves on a strike. The colonial government has responded very ruthlessly and with the brutal repression. They seeking to humiliate and terrorize the people. उन्होंने इसके लिए भी जो एक तरफ जहाँ इंडियन उग्र हो चुके थे उससे ज़्यादा उग्र कौन हो गए थे? ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स. सत्याग्रहीज वर फोर्स्ड टू रब देयर नोज ऑन द ग्राउंड्स. Just imagine the methods they have adopted, the suppression methods they have adopted. They means who? The colonial government against Indians. उन्होंने humiliate करना शुरू किया, लोगों के अंदर डर भय आतंक मचा दिया, और इसके लिए उन्होंने सत्याग्रहियों को नाक रगड़ने के लिए कहा ऑन द ग्राउंड. वो अपने हाथों के बल क्रॉल करते हुए स्ट्रीट्स में चला करते थे, और जो भी ब्रिटिश सरकार का बाशिंदा दिखाई देता था तो वो उनको झुक कर सल्यूट करते थे. The villages were bombed and the people were fled. लोगों को बंदी बनाया गया. Seeing the violence spread over the towns and the cities, Gandhi ji called off the movement children. In the 18th of April 1919. A student, ये एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट था, चाहे वो जलियांवाला बाग मासैकर उसके अगेंस्ट में, चाहे रॉलक एक्ट के अगेंस्ट में, ये एक ऐसा था जिसमें कि इंडियंस वर गैदर्ड. यहाँ पे कोई स्पेसिफिक सेक्शन नहीं था, बट इंडियंस वर गैदर्ड एंड इंडियंस वर यूनाइटेड टू फट अगेंस्ट द कॉलोनियल गवर्नमेंट, जो शायद पहले नहीं हुआ होगा या नहीं हुआ था. इतनी भारी मात्रा में लोगों का भीड़ आना और भीड़ को अगेंस्ट रिएक्ट करना गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ के ख़िलाफ़, ये गांधी जी के मन में एक और नए मूवमेंट की खोज उनको करनी थी. बट ये मूवमेंट तब तक पूरा नहीं हो सकता था जब तक वो हिंदू और मुस्लिम्स को दे डोंट वांट देम, वो तब तक इसको कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते थे जब तक कि ये दोनों ही साथ में मिलकर आज़ादी के लिए ना खड़े हों. तो ही वांटेड, but there were some limitations of Rowlatt Act children. Although the movement has been having widespread and the people from all the walk of the life, they gathered together against this policies act, but it was only limited mostly to cities and town children. Gandhi ji wanted to satyagrahi more trained towards non-violence. So it was like the most important point here is that गांधी जी यूनाइटेड इंडियंस, और कहीं ना कहीं यही यूनिटी जो थी वो एक ऐसा हथियार थी जिसके कारण ब्रिटिशर्स को सोचना पड़ा कि अब हम इस भीड़ के आगे हम अब खड़े नहीं हो सकते. और हालांकि ये 1919 की बात है और आज़ादी हमें 1947 में मिली, एक बहुत लंबा गैप था, लेकिन फिर भी अब इंडियंस उठ खड़े हो रहे थे. जो मन में दबी हुई जो कहते हैं ना वो एक उग्र भावना जो ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ थी, अब वो टर्न अप होने लगे, और उसके बीच में जलियांवाला बाग मासेकर ने कहीं ना कहीं उस जो आग प्रदीप्त हो रही थी, जो प्रज्वलित हो रही थी, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं इंडियंस के मन में वो कहीं ना कहीं एक घी डालने का काम किया और उन बेगुनाहों की मृत्यु का जो कारण बना, उसके लिए इंडियंस स्टूड अप यूनाइटेडली, स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज क्लास स्टूडेंट. कल हम लोग पढ़ेंगे अबाउट द खिलाफत एजिटेशन एंड द स्टेप्स टुवर्ड्स non-cooperation movement. Till then, goodbye children.